Hello, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel of AG Maths, Way of Life, and Quadratic Equations session number 3. In our previous session, I have explained certain topics on quadratic by formalizing the method of completing the squares to find the roots, then solving some problems along with explanation of the Sridhar Acharya's formula. In this session, I'll continue the same topic by establishing the relationship of the roots with the coefficients of quadratic equation. As I have already mentioned in my first link of this topic that we will be talking about the roots and coefficients relation. Now, to start with that, we know that alpha, beta, if these are the roots of the equation, they can be written in terms of the Sridhar Acharya's formula like this over 2a, where a, b, c are the roots when ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is quadratic. If we have a quadratic like ax square plus bx plus c, then the two roots alpha beta are written as minus b plus minus root by b square minus 4ac by 2a as per the Sridhar Acharya's formula. Right. Now if I write the sum of roots, that means I am writing alpha and beta addition. So alpha we take the positive sign in between these two terms, and for beta I take the negative sign. Then what will happen? Look here. So minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a is one of the roots. Then I am adding minus b minus of root over b square minus 4ac over 2a. When you simplify these two terms, what is the LCM I get is 2a, and writing these terms over the LCM, I find two terms get cancelled and we are left with only the real terms without root. So this cancels with this, and I am left with minus 2 times ba by 2a, which is written as minus b by a. Minus b by a is nothing but alpha plus beta. That is one of the relation established. Now if I write the product of roots, that means I have to write alpha into beta. That is minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a is multiplied with another minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a. These two terms are getting multiplied. The multiplication, if I write the bracket instead of this, then first part is this, which is called the suppose a part, and we have another part which is b part. Suppose this is representing a and this is representing b with denominator 2a. So what we can say it is a plus b into a minus b, or we can write this as minus b whole square, then minus of b square minus 4ac whole square, and the whole divided by 2a into 2a, which is 4a square. When you simplify the numerator, we get only 4ac by 4a square, because b square will get cancelled. So it is 4ac over 4a square. If I cancel 4 and I cancel one of the a, then I am left with c by a. So c by a is the product of the roots. So we know the sum of the roots and the product of the root. Now we can form the quadratic equation. So far what we have learned that a quadratic is given and we have to find the roots, the value which satisfies the unknown variable. Now suppose the roots are given and then you have to go back and form the quadratic equation itself. From where these roots have come, then how we do it. Let us work out one example. So we understood that sum of the roots is nothing but minus b by a and the product of root is c by a. It's a very small thing to remember that in any quadratic equation, if the sum of the roots you have to write, we write that it is minus b by a and the product of the root is and product of root alpha beta is called c by a. These are two important results. Now suppose we are given problem like one of the root is 1 plus root 3 by 2 and another root is 1 minus root 3 by 2. Suppose this is alpha and beta is this. We have to form the equation. So to form the equation, what we do normally? Normally we find that equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus the product of the root is equal to 0. That is the standard formation of formula to write the equation. So when we write the sum of the roots, what I will write here, sum of the roots is alpha plus beta, 1 plus root 3 by 2 plus 1 minus root 3 by 2 into x plus I will write the product, 1 plus root 3 by 2 multiplied to 1 minus root 3 by 2 and equal to 0. That is what I have written. That x square minus sum of the roots are this, so sum of the roots plus into x plus product of the root. Now simplifying this, what I get is x square minus 2 is the LCM, 1 plus root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 times of x plus, it is again a plus b into a minus b, so I write 1 minus root 3 whole square by 4 is equal to 0. So what is cancelling here is root 3, right? Then what I get here is a 1, x square minus 2 by 2 is a 1 into x, plus what I get here is 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is minus of half, plus and then minus of half is 0, or we can say multiply both sides by 2 and you get the answer as 2x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is what is the required equation. So I hope we have covered most of the topics. So now I'll give you one small riddle to work out and I'll give you the answer in the next video. A riddle goes like a story. A bridge will collapse in 17 minutes. There is a bridge which is going to collapse in 17 minutes. Timing is only 17 minutes. Suppose the time bomb has been fixed into the bridge and the bridge is going to collapse in 17 minutes. Suppose here is a bridge. I'm not very good in freehand, but still trying to tell you something like this here, here, some water is here. So bridge is going to collapse 17 minutes. That is the time available with us. 4 people are here. We have 4 people here. Like this. And they all have to cross to this point. They all need to go to this end via the bridge. 4 people have to cross. Suppose their names are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are the names. And A takes to cross the bridge 1 minute. A takes 1 minute to cross. Then B takes 2 minutes to cross. The bridge. Yeah. C is taking 5 minutes. And D takes 10 minutes. Maybe is a small child. 10 minutes to cross the bridge. It's a very dark night and there is only one torch. One torch is available. It is night time and one torch is only available. These are the timing for individual to cross the bridge. And the bridge is going to collapse in 17 minutes, after which nobody can cross. And all the 4 has to reach the other side of the stream or the river. So how do they all cross the bridge before it collapses? How do they cross the bridge before it collapses? That means you have total 17 minutes with you to take all the 4 people ABCD from one end to the other end, and you have only one torch to carry with you, and without torch you cannot cross the bridge because it's a night time. I hope you have understood the problem. Try to solve this and I'll come back with the solution in my next video. And I request again, if you like my videos, please click on the like button and also subscribe so that you get the intimation for my next video for the next topics. And I again thank you very much for your valuable time. We will meet you again. Thank you.